ये हमारा डे टू डे एक्सपीरियंस है कि अलग अलग टाइप के मार्केट अलग अलग होते हैं। जो सब्जी का मार्केट है वो अलग है, जो फिश का मार्केट अलग है, जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का मार्केट है वो अलग है। लोकेलिटी के हिसाब से भी होता है, कमोडिटी के हिसाब से भी होता है। तो आज हम इन्हीं सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे। हमारा अभी का टॉपिक है मार्केट सेगमेंटेशन। Market segmentation is an increasingly important part of a strong marketing strategy and can make all the difference for companies in competitive market landscapes such as e-commerce. When up against a range of online competitors, effective communication is the best way to differentiate your business. Market segmentation offers an opportunity to pinpoint exactly what messaging will drive your customer to make a purchase. हमको क्या मैसेज देना है कि हमारा कस्टमर जो है परचेस करेगा, और ये चीज का समझ मार्केट सेगमेंटेशन है। 4 टाइप का है: डेमोग्राफिक, साइकोग्राफिक, जियोग्राफिक और बिहेवियरल सेगमेंटेशन। डेमोग्राफी क्या हुआ कि एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस के बारे में हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं, वहाँ का पॉपुलेशन क्या है, जेंडर रेशियो क्या है, लोगों का अर्निंग क्या है, एज ग्रुप, पॉपुलेशन पिरामिड क्या है, लोगों के चॉइसेस कैसे हैं, लोगों की साइकोलॉजी क्या है, वो साइकोग्राफिक सेगमेंटेशन हुआ। वहाँ का ज्योग्राफी क्या है, वो ज्योग्राफिक सेगमेंटेशन हुआ। और बिहेवियरल सेगमेंटेशन, कैसा बिहेवियर है। डेमोग्राफिक सेगमेंटेशन, द हु। Demographic segmentation might be the first thing people think of when they hear market segmentation. This is perhaps the most straightforward way of defining customer groups, but it remains powerful. Demographic segmentation look at identifiable non-character traits such as age, gender, ethnicity, income, level of education, religion, profession, role of company. For example, demographic segmentation might target potential customer based on their income, so your marketing budget isn't wasted, directing your messaging at people who likely can't afford your product. सिंपल सी बात है कि किस कार का ऐड देना है कहाँ पे, या किस कॉस्मेटिक का ऐड देना है कहाँ पे। तो कंपनियों को ये पता है कि कौन सा मैगजीन किस टाइप का कस्टमर पढ़ रहा है, किस टाइप के लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, और कहाँ किस चीज का ऐड होगा, या टीवी का कौन सा चैनल देख रहा है, कहाँ पर कौन सा ऐड होगा। दे नो दिस, ताकि उनका पैसा वेस्ट ना हो, उनका एफर्ट वेस्ट ना हो। लग्जरी गुड्स मैन्युफैक्चरर जैसे मॉन्ट ब्लैंक पेन है, वर्क विथ यील्डिफाई टू प्रेजेंट अ सिलेक्शन ऑफ ऑफर्स अक्रॉस देयर वेबसाइट. One sought to raise conversation using a Father's Day deal that offered a free gift to those spending over £200, an amount that acknowledged the spending expectation of Mont Blanc target audience and saw 118% uplift in conversion for those targeted. बना रखा है ऐड अपना। Another offer was aimed specifically at corporate gift buyers, a market segment that Mont Blanc particularly appeals to, and resulted in a 30% uplift for that. Market segmentation isn't just about your business reaching customer more effectively. It is also about those customers seeing messaging that is more relevant to them. सिर्फ कस्टमर नहीं, पोटेंशियल कस्टमर भी बनाना है। जो बना हुआ वहां तक तो पहुंचना ही है, और जो बन सकता है उसको भी खींच करके लाना है। Psychographic segmentation. Psychographic segmentation is focused on your customers' personalities and interests. Here we might look at customer and define them by their personality traits, hobbies, life goals, values, belief, lifestyle. नॉर्मल सी तो बात है, आप एक बार मोबाइल पे इस पे गार्डनिंग का वीडियो देखना शुरू कीजिए, 2-3 वीडियो देखिएगा, अब खाली उसी का होगा, और फिर ऐसी कंपनियों के ऐड आने लगेंगे आपके सामने। आप एक कोई मेडिसिन का नाम, एक कोई दवा का नाम सर्च कर दीजिए, बस कल तो अगले दिन आपके पास फोन ही पहुंच जाएगा, भैया फुल बॉडी चेकअप करवा लो इतने रुपए में, हम तो पूरा बॉडी चेक कर देंगे आपका, है ना। और फिर दवाई की इससे दुकान से फोन आ जाएगा कि भैया हमसे लीजिए, हम इतना % आपको डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं, घर पे होम डिलीवरी हो जाएगी, है ना। Compared to demographic segmentation, this can be a harder set to identify. Good research is vital, and when done well, psychographic segmentation can allow for incredibly effective marketing that consumer will feel speaks to them on a much more personal level. In our experience working with luxury resort business, Omni Hotels and Resorts, for example, we are aware that a big sector of the company target audience was always keen to get the very best price they could by targeting a notification campaign, especially towards comparison shoppers. Omni Hotel Resorts achieved a 39% conversion rate uplift. Geographic segmentation. By comparison, geographic segmentation is often one of the easiest to identify. Grouping customer with regards to their physical location, this can be defined in any number of ways: country, region, city, postal code. For example, it is possible to group customers within a set of radius of a certain location. An excellent option for marketers to live events looking to reach local audience. Being aware of your customer location allows for all sorts of consideration when advertising to customers. Using Yieldify tools, an online shoe store could show different products depending on where the visiting customer was based. Behavioral segmentation is possibly the most useful of all e-commerce business. As with psychographic segmentation, it requires a little data to be truly effective, but much of this can be gathered via your website itself. Here we group customers with regards to their spending habit, purchasing habit, browsing habits, interaction with the brand, loyalty to the brand, previous product ratings. Forms, first time arriving, returning website, cart abandoner, returning customer, VIP customer. Grouping कर रखा है. All of these data sets that can be harvested from a customer uses of your website. At Yieldify, we utilize behavioral segmentation to deliver highly relevant and targeted campaigns based on the number of behavioral patterns, number of session, number of pages visited, time spent, URLs, page type visited, shopping cart value, campaign history, referral source, exit intent, inactivity, and more. One of the best example of this type of segmentation is showing new visitors $15 incentive in exchange for joining the community. Returning visitors who had already subscribed but have not redeemed their coupon yet were redeemed on their first order incentive, whereas returning customers saw a campaign about Vinomo's premium service, कोई wine से related है. This targeted approach focused on purchasing habits reached 34.02% conversion rate uplift with new and 29.24 CR uplift with returning visitors. Generational and life stage segmentation. Generational and life stage segmentation both expand on aspects of the demographic approach. Identifying customers by generation allow for broad but distinct approach depending on age. Life stage segmentation, however, works similarly whilst divorcing life experience from age itself. Instead, it groups customer by factors including marital status, home ownership, and whether or not they have children, and more specific still by considering the ages of their children. Transactional segmentation is based on previous interactions your customer has had with your brand. Whilst it can draw on behavioral element, it also has a much wider scope, considering the initial source of the registration with your business, how long it has been since their last order, and how many orders they have made overall. Firmographic segmentation. While the above marketing segmentation strategy mainly focuses on B2C, business to customer organization, firmographic segmentation can be extremely useful for those in the B2B world. business to business world. Firmographic segmentation is the process of analyzing and classifying B2B customers based on shared company or organization attributes characteristics. This segmentation strategy allows B2B companies to better understand and target their audience and marketing campaigns. This process is very similar to the way B2C marketers would use demographic segmentation. And that's it. Thank you.